Hello everyone, my name is Elora. I am from class 7F and today I am going to show you how to make meatballs. The ingredients are 250 grams ground beef, 1/4 of a cup of breadcrumbs, 1/4 of a cup of milk, 1/4 of a diced onion, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of oregano. First, we preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Next, in a bowl, we will mix all the ingredients until combined. Next, we grease a pan. You can use margarine or olive oil. Next, shape the mixture into balls approximately 1 tablespoon. Try to make all the meatballs the same size. Once you're done, put them in the pan. Give some distance between each meatball. Finally, bake them for 20 to 25 minutes in the oven. Take the meatballs out of the oven. And your meatballs are ready to serve. And your meatballs are ready to serve.